My name is Matt Kramer. I'm a coordinator out of Rockford, Illinois. I've been with Agiliti for 13 years. I started with the company in the biomedical space and worked my way into a leadership role. The purpose of our technicians team is to repair and maintain medical equipment to manufacturer specifications. Our technicians work on a variety of different modalities, and we prioritize based on the needs of our customers. A couple key qualities to being successful in any technician's role is the ability to work within a fast-paced environment and applying technical training to day-to-day work. Our quality starts with our people and providing ways for them to grow with the company. What's unique about working at Agiliti is our technicians have an opportunity to work on various types of equipment. This is a quality that sets us apart. No matter your level of experience coming to Agiliti, there are always opportunities for advancement. If you have a passion for helping people, want to make a difference in healthcare, and are interested in growing your career, join the Agiliti team.